The Rolls-Royce is a symbol of luxury, elegance, and unparalleled craftsmanship. Known for its smooth, silent ride and attention to every detail, each Rolls-Royce is handcrafted to perfection. The interior features the finest materials, from supple leather to polished wood, creating an atmosphere of pure comfort. Under the hood, powerful engines deliver effortless performance. For over a century, Rolls-Royce has set the standard for automotive excellence, representing prestige and sophistication around the world. Beyond its striking exterior and sumptuous interior, a Rolls-Royce offers a truly bespoke experience. Owners can personalize nearly every aspect, from custom paint colors to intricate embroidery, ensuring each car is a unique reflection of its driver. Advanced technology is seamlessly integrated, maintaining the timeless aesthetic while providing modern convenience and safety. This unwavering commitment to perfection has cemented Rolls-Royce's reputation as the gold standard in luxury motoring, where every journey becomes an unforgettable occasion. Every aspect of a Rolls-Royce is designed to deliver unparalleled comfort and serenity. The signature Starlight headliner transforms the cabin into a tranquil oasis, while advanced sound insulation ensures the outside world fades away. Attention to detail extends to the smallest features, from the perfectly weighted doors to the hand-stitched leather seats. Each vehicle is a testament to the brand's commitment to excellence, promising not just transportation, but an extraordinary voyage in absolute luxury. Beyond its stunning aesthetics and luxurious appointments, the Rolls-Royce is engineered to deliver a driving experience unlike any other. The suspension system glides effortlessly over any surface, minimizing vibrations and road noise, while intuitive technology seamlessly integrates with the driver's needs. Safety features are discreet yet state-of-the-art, ensuring peace of mind for every passenger. With an unwavering commitment to perfection, Rolls-Royce continues to set the benchmark for opulence, comfort, and automotive innovation in the modern era.